Have you ever been driving down the road after a rainstorm and the dash lights all of a sudden pop up on your vehicle? Try looking pull these things out and look down in there. If you see a puddle of water, what the problem is your little valve here is for the sunroof. And what happens is that gets clogged. And instead of the water coming out of here, it goes down along the pillar and ends up in there, which will make this not work, and all the lights on your dash will be on the car.